Hi guys! First of all, I would like to tell you that since March, our workshops have been visited by more than 220 children. And this week is a very special week because it's a week before Easter and our kids are making a very special masterclass. Ukrainian people have a wonderful tradition to make an Easter eggs coloring, which are called pysankas. Pysanka in Ukraine is a symbol of life and well-being. That is why this week at Sverlyk we are having thematic master classes where we color pysankas.
My first pysanka was made about 15 years ago with my grandma, and after that I wanted to share my knowledge with other people, with children and adults, and to show them this beautiful Ukrainian tradition, because pysanka is like a symbol in Ukraine, in Ukrainian house. It keeps it safe, and also pysanka was like a gift to other people, to family members or to friends, with good wishes.
We cherish our ancient traditions, and this week at Sverlyk, right before Easter, we were making our traditional pysankas. In this difficult time for Ukraine, we really need your support. So please join us on our social networks, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, and YouTube. You can also donate at PayPal and Patreon. Thank you.